Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of this VoJoPi professional lapel mic. We wanted to get a cheap and cheerful microphone just to improve the audio quality on our videos rather than using the phone microphone or the headset microphones. So we got one of these, and we're just going to do an unboxing for you today, and then we've got some test clips, and so you can see what the audio quality is like and see if it's something that you might want to get for yourself. So let's see what we get in the box. It comes with a nice pouch and an instruction manual. I think that's just a single page. Yep, so a clip-on mic and the warranty there. But in multiple languages. And in the bag you get your extension cable, and you get your microphone, your lapel clip with a good strong spring in there, and then obviously the microphone, which just clips onto there. So you can see the way that looks. Made of plastic, but you can see it's got a mesh inside there, and you can clip it on either side depending on how you get it on your shirt. So it all comes with the TRRS, and then in here you get your wind shields, 2 wind shields, and you get an adapter to TRS if you're using a camera or audio recorder. So we bought this one specifically because most of the time we're just going to be using this, but if then we're a bit further away, it comes with this extender, which is obviously then going to give you another probably up to 2 meters to get away. I think this is about 1.5 meters that you get on the cable length here, so that's enough just to get to your local recording device, be that your phone or a camera or laptop. But then if your subject is a bit further away and your recording device is a bit further away, you can get into here. So that's what we went that for. They both got straps for your cable management, which is great. So what we're going to get onto next is just some of the recordings, and so you can hear the difference between them, and you can decide whether it's something that you might like to purchase. We're also going to have Amazon links in there to the one that we bought from Amazon. So thanks very much, and we'll move on to the sound recordings. Hi guys, we're here at Fleetwood Skate Bowl, and we're just doing some testing on our microphones. So this one we're recording on the phone microphone, and we're going to be doing a test with the headphone mic on here, and then Jakey's got a test with our new Lavalier mic, which we're going to test as well. Okay, so we're plugged in the headphones, and we should be working on this mic now, so you'll be able to see what the contrast is like from that. Hopefully there's a bit less wind noise, a bit better than the phone mic, but we'll see. You can see Jakey down there doing whatever on my skateboard, and we'll get some shots of him on his scooter as well. Okay, so we're down at Fleetwood Skate Bowl, and we're just testing out our new mic that we've got, our clip-on mic, see what that's like, see how it performs outside. It's got the little foam thing on, so hopefully it'll cut out a bit of the wind noise from that, and you should get a nice clearer sound from that. Jakey's doing some tricks on the skateboard. We'll see him on his scooter later on.
Hi guys, we're just testing out this new mic outside and see what it sounds like. Hi guys, this is to compare the microphone on the phone.
So I hope that was useful for you. We're recording on the microphone now, and so you can hear how it sounds inside, and we're recording on an iPhone. So the build quality seems to be okay, and the sound quality is okay, that we've got both indoors and outdoors. So if you want to check out this microphone on Amazon, we've got some links down in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this useful. Thanks, and we'll catch you on the next one.